Well, now that we've got our video exported, sometimes it takes a little while. Give it time to load, and when it's ready, it will say that you can share your export. So what you want to do here, this is the link to your video. Click and drag and highlight that whole text, and then go up to the edit button and click on copy. And what you're going to do next is you need to send your video to me. So head to Schoology and the envelope to send me a message. It's a nice way to communicate. And just start typing in Utley, U-T-L-E-Y. Oh, there I pop up. And the subject line will say, of course, pledge. And I've sent a few of those before. Now, when you go to message, what you need to do is go back up to the edit button and paste. And then you send it to me. It's as easy as that. And now I have the pledge link in my messages that I can give to Mrs. Ryder, and we can listen to you say the Pledge of Allegiance in the morning. I can't wait to hear your voice and say the Pledge of Allegiance along with you. I am really proud of the work that you're doing, and I know Mrs. King is as well. If you have any questions, please use the messages to send it to me. I check them every day, and it's a nice way to communicate too. So if you want to send a message, we can be pen pals that way too. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.